Hello, Paul. Hi.
Hey, hello, Salman.
Yeah, I think for you it is too late, right? You don't need to be here if you don't want. No
It's
worries.
okay. I'll just sit in.
That's why I actually jogging from academy page. I don't want to disturb you.
No worries. Thank you so much.
So yeah, cool. Today basically what we are plan is like just give an introduction about Avima 8 platform. What is capable of? Just to give an introduction. So, okay.
Okay, okay. Are you still in hospital?
No, I'm in my home right now. I'm getting a rest.
Oh, you getting better?
Sorry.
You getting better?
Yeah, getting better actually. It's a keyhole surgery, so it's not that much painful or something like that. But I need to take some rest. That's all.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so I'll wait.
Sorry.
I will wait. So just wait for the others.
Yeah, sure. Let's see how many people join. Let me share my screen. Okay, cool. I actually tried to get streamed to Ameba, like the Ameba YouTube, Zushi shared, but unfortunately there are some issues.
Okay, no problem.
So, this is visible, right? Okay. Something happened to my laptop. It's too slow right now. Some button is not able to press. What happened? So we will. I just give an introduction about first. Then we can go to some of the demos. Okay. Hi Tariq. Tariq is on join. Okay. Disconnected. Okay. Hi Tariq. It's 8:03. We can wait few minutes. Then we can start. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So before starting, we can just discuss something. I think me and Tariq actually discuss about the sidewalk technology, right? Tariq is trying to build one.
Yeah. Yes.
How is it going so far?
Yeah, I Nordic documentation. I have referred the Nordic documentation,
Hmm.
and I also installed the Sidewalk repository. I'm just getting started on that.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah. I'm not
Please.
sure. I mean, they're mentioning that it's completely on US. Network is only available in the US, but
Okay.
for we can use we can use for development in our part, I think.
Okay. It's okay for development, but for the production ready or application, it's only for use, right?
Yeah. That's
This is
what
used.
I mentioned in the document.
Okay, so there might be some regulation issues, right?
Yeah, that's why I got confused whether is it possible to develop here or not.
Okay.
So yeah, so anyway, let's try on that.
Sure.
We can understand.
Yeah,
Yeah, can
please keep us
understand.
updated. I'm also interested in that. I actually learned about. I attended a few webinar from Amazon, to know about what are the difference between Helium or the similar network, right? Decentralized wireless network. So I know some basics. I didn't to get hands-on with that. So I think this is a good opportunity. I'll anyway try to update. Okay.
Yeah, actually, I heard from you mentioned one time, so that's why I got back on you.
Okay.
Yeah, and also, yeah. So for understanding that they are using gateways, either the Alexa Echo or is that in America there is something called Ring. Uh,
Sorry, what?
Ring, RING.
Yeah. Ring
Yeah,
from Google, right?
yeah. Go. I'm not sure it's from Google. I'm not
Okay.
sure. So they use that network also. They're either Amazon Alexa or the Ring devices as gateway they're using for this.
A ring as in like the doorbells and everything, right? Smart
Yes, yeah,
doorbells.
yeah.
Okay.
So I think they collaborated with the Ring to create these gateways. I think.
Oh, nice.
Uh,
Actually,
I
very
don't have the yeah,
good.
I don't have the entire picture now. I'm just this is what I'm getting so far.
Okay, cool. So once we have, we can have a next session on you about Amazon.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, if we can figure this out, yeah, sure.
Sure. So hi, Abhay.
Hi, Salman.
Hello. So basically, I think Abhi is the first time joining the Maker Monday, right? So
Yeah.
basically, Maker Monday is like we just meet in Monday and just discuss on different kind of topic. So today topic, we have a topic like Ameba 8. We just to see what is the new board have from Realtek release with Ameba edition and see what are the capabilities of this board, and that's it. And then we will discuss some other topics. If you have any specific topic, we will also discuss on that. Okay.
Sure.
Who, yeah, Tariq's actually working on Amazon Sidewalks. That's why we just started discussion on that.
Okay.
Okay, cool. I think we can we can wait 1 more minute, then we can start. Okay.
Sure.
So today idea is just I just give a brief introduction about Amoeba board and what are the capabilities, the feature set and everything. And we also tried to implement a small example. So from that small example, actually, we can see how the Amoeba board is capable. So that's only one example I am trying to do. I actually try to do some other examples like compiling the demo, but unfortunately, there are some issues with the SDK. So I was not able to complete that. But anyway, I have a few examples that I can show you.
Okay.
Meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can share it on the chats or in our Discord channel. Okay, yeah, it's almost 1 minute. So like these are the experimental meetings. So we try to find a best suitable time for everyone. So right now we only focusing on our region. I think Abe and Tariq already know each other. We know each other. We are from Kerala. So let's see, try to see like how many people are joining here. Then we can try to expand this model. Okay. So currently we are doing the Maker Monday with the collaboration of Academy and MakerGam. So Academy is an international peer-to-peer learning community. It's on the Discord. We have specifically two main Discords, one for Mandarin, one for English, international version. So for MakerGam, MakerGam is a maker hardware community based out of Kochi, and we do monthly meetups, in-person meetups. Okay. So we do collaborating to do the Maker Monday. These are for experiments and see to share our knowledge and get to know each other, fellow makers and everything. So yeah, it's already 8:11. I am going to share my screen. Okay. Okay. I hope you can see my screen, right? So unfortunately, I have some issues with my computer. I was not able to click slide. That's a shortcut, right?
Welcome to VoiceOver. VoiceOver speaks.
Okay, cool. So like initially, we are going to learn today's main topic is like get to know about the Ameba82-MINI. It's actually a series of development boards released by Realtek, and the series is called Ameba. Ameba means like it's for maker kind of thing, hobbyist kind of thing, or prototyping kind of thing. Prototyping boards are called Ameba, and this one is actually from the Ameba Pro family. Pro means it's have more capability of general purpose devices. It have more RAM. It have more like peripherals interface, etc. It's a advanced version. That means Pro. And from the Pro series, this is one Ameba82-MINI. Okay. So yeah, it's based on Realtek 8735B chipset SoC. It's actually behind this board. Let me show you. Yeah, here. So this is the board actually behind it. This is the main the SoC it's powered by, and as you can see, it's actually comes with a camera with a like a FFC cable, and it's also have a onboard microphone here, and a small SD card slot here also for micro SD card. Okay, so these are the main important things we can see, and you can see a external antenna here. This is because it support both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and yeah. So yeah, that's about the board, and let me show you some other features. So yeah, as I mentioned, it's a development platform equipped with various peripheral interface. It's from Realtek. And one of the very important things is it's our onboard NPU. NPU means neural processing unit. So it's actually meant for edge machine learning or tiny machine learning, specifically meant for this. And it has 0.4 teraflops per second of frequency of these NPU. That's very huge for a microcontroller or these kind of a small devices. Okay. And we also have a Wi-Fi dual band it support both 2.4 and 5 GHz. So compared to the competitors, like we can say ESP32 is a competitor, and other boards like Wi-Fi boards is one of the very famous one is ESP32, ESP8266, and ESP-C3 kind of thing. So these board actually doesn't support 5 GHz Wi-Fi, but this one support. That's one of the competitive advantage from other boards. Okay. And it's also have like a BLE 5.1, so it can do so many amazing things that support BLE 5.1. And another features like it have like 23 GPIOs for different purpose. You can see here. Okay, and the only disadvantage I see is it's not breadboard friendly. It's my honest review. Okay, only a disadvantage is like I was not that much interested in. It's like it's not breadboard friendly, so I need to use two breadboard like this and sandwich together, and then I need to connect it like this one. Then only I can use breadboard on top of this one. That's the only advantage. But other thing is like it support 3 UART, I think 3 of them are hardware UART, and 2 SPI and 1 I2C, 8 PWM from the 23 GPIO, and 2 DMA, direct memory access peripheral, like pins actually. As I mentioned, one main capability is like onboard camera module. So have a very nice onboard camera. I'll show you the demo, and I'm sure you will be amazed. And it also support like onboard mic. So it's a small electrolyte analog mic inside here. Here we can see. And yeah, another good thing is about it's have a good support, good community from Ameba side. They have a very active Facebook page, a very active forum, and they also have so many examples that very easy to get started with the TinyML. Okay. So development platforms basically support Arduino, and we can also use there is two kind of main SDK. One is Ameba Pro 2 SDK by Realtek. It's used the GCC toolchain to develop and compile tools and everything. And another one is we can use the Arduino platform. It's support Arduino. So and also MicroPython is coming on the way. Other Ameba boards support MicroPython. This is one doesn't have it right now. I don't see any documentation, so it might be in the future. But so far, this one support Arduino and the official SDK. Yeah, so you can see the repository and everything here. And today, while doing the presentation, actually, like last few days, I found few errors. So I need to raise the issues on the GitHub later. Yeah. So yeah, and I would like to also want to see the data sheet, the architecture actually. So you can see this is a power management unit, a PMU, and this will be our main CPU. This is actually inside the controller. Okay, this controller can see the specific things, and it has some kind of it have an encryption unit. So you can see the OTP thing and everything here. It's supported by RSA and one-time password, everything. So it can be used for security applications or an application that require much more security. And you can see separate interfaces for audio and video. So that's very great thing. We can have like 8264 or 826 encoding for video, and same for audio also. And another one I would like to show you is like, let me open the product page. They have a nice information mentioned. Yeah, here. So you can see the ROM is like 768 KB of ROM, and for the memory itself, okay, and 16 MB of flash it's have. And another one very amazing thing is like it have actually up to 128 MB of RAM. It's actually support if you want to give some more additional buffer for the TinyML video or video analytics or something like that. And like it support like it's based on 32-bit ARM-v8M, like, and it's clocked up to 500 megahertz. And I'm just reading the information from the product page. And yeah, these are the some other very interesting thing, like it support 5 gigahertz and 541 and 0.4 teraflops. That's great. And it can be, it have a 2 USB port. Okay, so one is for like we can program using the UART encoder, UART adapter. Another one is exposed via here. So we can connect like external camera or external storage device, extra. So it support USB host. Okay. And yeah, ISP, it's our ISP insecure programmer. So we can program the board without USB also with it's with the exposed ISP pins. Okay. And these are the one video codec. We can manage the video with this format. And these are another important thing: secure boot and crypto engine. Secure boot from ARM and crypto engine for secure applications. So you can securely do our application, like if it's a edge analytics or something, that we can do that very easy. So yeah, that's about this board, like and availability. Another thing is availability in India, right? So far, the board is actually available from Robo website. You can see here. So currently it's out of stock, but it comes with a cost of 2,549 rupees. I say like for the price, it's okay. Like it's have the capability. I'll show you the camera quality is very nice. Like I don't see this much camera quality from this kind of a small diamond board. Okay, so let me show you. Let me try to share my screen again so that I can share my old screen. Okay. Okay, I think now only will be Arduino will be shown. Okay, cool. So I'm just the procedure is very straightforward as for the Arduino. First, you need to go to the Arduino like files. I need to add additional board manager URL here. There will be a JSON file mentioned from the GitHub here. So we just need to add the file, not here actually, here. Sorry, here. You can get there is a two main branch. One is for main, one is a element. So if you want to try out initially, I recommend using the main branch. And yeah, just need to add. Then as normally you need to go to the board manager, and from here you can actually download the board and install it on. Okay, so we make sure that you select 32-bit ARM v8-M. So that's this board is based on. Then if you select the board AMB82-MINI from the Realtek Ameba boards, if you are using a Windows, it will be a Ameba Pro. And since I'm using Mac, it should be Realtek Ameba boards, and you can select the 82-MINI. I also selected my board. So, and if you go example, you can see different kind of easy to get started example. So that's why I'm mentioning about like it's has so many example. You can see some PWM examples, BLE examples you can see, and debug examples, file system like how to read and write with SD card files, GPA examples like DHT, like the detail humidity temperature sensor tester, and interrupt LED and different kind of thing, and Ameba timer, Ameba HTTP to file, and the interesting MQTT also come with onboard MQTT demos. So multimedia, this one is very interesting. We can actually there are so many kind of, we can actually manage the audio, and we can do some thing here. Actually it's streaming the audio and doing some effects, like we can change the pitch, we can control the different kind of things, actually bass and everything we can do. It's very easy to do, like just simply click. The example is already here. And another one is I would like to show right now is RTCP demo, RTSP demo. That means we can actually stream the video very easily. So using the RTSP protocol, so you can see here. So let's try to do one demo. Before that, I'll just go through. You can see different kind of thing here. And yeah, it's also come with onboard different kind of like examples, like image face recognitions, and a small project also, like face recognition project, lock, door lock unlocking, and object detection loop. It will continually work on face detection and face recognitions. Okay, I have some issues while working with the face detection. While combining the face detection, I'll try to do later. Then I'll update on the group. Yeah. So these are the other demos. Let's see. I actually using the single video with audio. This is the demo I was planning to do. Let me open it, and I hope if you don't have any doubts right now. Okay. Okay, this is my RTSP protocol link. Let me open it. Need to give here. It will automatically open with VLC because VLC is supported by that. I hope, right now you can see, right?
And they have onboard mic.
Sorry.
Do the diamond board has mic in it?
Yes, it's our mic actually. Yeah, that's how I mentioned. It's our onboard small So right now I am streaming from the video. Right now I am streaming from the video.
So you're taking both the video and audio, right, from the microcontroller board.
Yes,
Oh,
it's awesome, right?
yes.
So you can see the quality. Like I also amazed about the quality. You can see.
Yeah. How much is the? I mean, how much MP is this?
Sorry, megapixel is the camera.
Huh?
So I'm not 100% sure. Let me dig right now. The camera quality. I don't see anything is mentioned by.
I mean, the ESP camera, I think it has.
This few like less than 1 megapixel or something like that, right? Let me see. They didn't mention anything like camera regarding the camera, but it's like yeah, this one. This is the camera actually
180p AI camera.
180p. Yeah, but I don't know if megapixel, but it support 180 pixels and 1/3 inch of its lens actually. Yep. This is not the version. Okay, it's too costly listed there. But I don't know. Like, let me. I have some issues with my computer. Can click some links, but anyway, I'll check and get back to you. Okay, update. First, I can. So yeah, can see like it's very. So you can see like so it's all a small buffer through the Wi-Fi, but other than it's very neat. You can see you can compare with my Mac screen and this one. It's very easy to get started and everything, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Need
did
doubts?
you try any TinyML application on that? I mean, yeah.
It's currently is not supported by Edge but it's supported by other platforms. Like we can try to directly like use the what do you call
Yeah, but
files.
so, we can use the. I mean, I think the Edge has Arduino library, right?
But the thing is, it's not supported directly.
Okay, okay.
We are still working
Okay, yeah.
on that. We have another like Ameba board. I'll show you. This is the one. Okay, Ameba 28.
Okay.
So like we are able to port some part of these to edge gimbals. Can see accelerometer.
Okay, yeah, I heard you mention before. Yeah, you're trying to port the Ameba board into Edge. Yeah.
Yeah, but I was facing so many issues, but it's still going. It's very slow process. If you would like to join, we can mention that we can do together. It's like we can also try to do this also. It's the same Dell SDK. So once we do like that, it's easily can be portable to here.
Okay. Yeah, I have to cover something. I mean, I took his course, but that TinyML course, I am going through that right now.
Okay. Which one? The camera one?
No. Actually, not the TinyML course from that Schonheimer, right? One course.
Which one? He have actually have two main courses, right?
Okay, and I am actually starting with introduction to TinyML.
Okay, nice. I recently completed that. Nice. So
I used the Edge for Raspberry Pi and ESP, but I still have not a clear idea on a TinyML, so I thought I could go through that course.
Yeah, sure. So let me try to build another demo. Let's see if it's how it's transfer the video in a double way. Stream double with audio. Let's see. So, yeah. So let me try to push this video. Not failed. Maybe the port issue. Let's see. The one another thing is I noticed with the Ameba board, it's very easy. Like the compilation is super fast. Like when I do with the ESP32, the thing is like it's very time consuming. Like I know, like I work with the TinyML with the ESP32, it took like 5 minutes, more than 5 minutes sometimes to compile. But this one is took very quickly. But only one thing is like the uploading part is very too slow.
Yes, so kind of compensate for the.
Yeah. Just kind of comments. Do the flash. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, and also their SDK, Ameba SDK is there any good?
Yeah, sure. I can show you. I have actually a SDK in my computer right now installed. So I can show you. So let me open this thing. Let's see if we have work. How it will work with the two camera. I don't know. Demo is not working right now. Pretty slow right now. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so wait, so the
Yeah.
second camera is
Sorry. No,
it has two cameras.
it's actually we can do with the two camera, or we can actually try to use the same camera for that one. It
Oh.
actually have two channels, so we can use two channels also. That's why I'm checking.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's they have some another demo also. This is what I was trying to do, the RTPS phase demo. But unfortunately, when I compare, it's have some issues like signal abort. Did you see this error before? Very
No.
yeah,
I didn't.
for me also it's very new. So another one phase. Let's just try to compile this one and see. So the this I'm getting compilation error, like language service not working. I don't know what kind of error is this, but some kind of like Arduino SDK error, but I don't know what's happening here. Oh, another example is like face recognition. Let's see this one. It's our actually in the past I tried to work with this demo. It's working fine, but unfortunately right now I have some issues with this one. I don't know what happened. Let me try to go to the older version of this SDK and see. And we can go. I see we can go a different version. Right? Okay, let me try to grab the stable link and see. I'm just installing the first version. That's very stable one. So let's see. The installation version is very neat and easy one. So after that we can go to the SDK. Okay, Tariq?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, it's installing. Good. On the top. Okay, it's installed. So let's try to select the board. It's already selected. Try to compare. Yep, it's have another issues right now. It's very normal. So,
Actually, library video stream got library issue.
should not be there. It is not there. It's in the main page, right?
Yeah.
But it looks like the issues with this the main file actually. Yeah, anyway, I'll try to do demo. Like right now, I'm not going to fix it. Just see. This is why I want to see the demo is working. It's an older version, the latest. Sorry, I actually tried to do the same with Linux also, like in my like Mint Ubuntu 20 point something, but I got the same error, and I'm not sure. But in the past, I tried to do this example very easily. Yeah. Right now, it's actually refreshed. You can see there is no error here.
Yeah. Okay, maybe we should close and open. Maybe that will solve sometimes.
Yeah. Actually, there is no library like this one.
Yeah, I mean, maybe sometimes sometimes I have these issues. Maybe simply closing the
ID.
yeah, I mean, yeah,
Try
just
to
the
install
ID.
this one. Yeah, sure. After the install that one, I can reopen it
Okay.
because in the past I used this one 404. That also I installed similar to my Linux computer I have here for the experiment. Same version actually. So okay. Did you guys like use platform IO these days?
Yeah, I have used and the VS Code platform IO.
Okay. And how was your experience with that?
Yeah, it was long before. I mean, when I started working, I started with the platform IO, but
Oh.
now I am using directly ESP IDF, and now most of the development is in NRF and Rustic.
Oh, okay. So you mostly
was
work on ESP?
Yeah, I mostly work with ESP and NRF right now.
NRF, okay. NRF is actually they have a Visual Studio plugins and everything, right?
Yeah, yes.
In the past they
Yes,
use Figure ID, but now currently they moved to the
Now completely changed. Everything is on Zephyr. Yeah, it
Zephyr.
was actually very nice. I mean, device tree and everything. Kind of a Linux.
Yeah. Everything on here. So let me open it. Yes. Yeah, this sometimes happen when we select the board also. Will not the example files will be not listed like this one. So we need to select any other board. And if we back to the main board, you can see the example files, right? Yeah, here. So for the capture this one. Yep.
I mean, do you use platform IO?
They also have a platform, I believe.
Okay.
I can see it's now compiling. So I have a confusion, like it's actually mentioned like I have a version. I think 4.0.4/1 is the latest one, right? This should be the latest. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I don't know.
But I think Arduino idea has some bug. They use the 4.01 is 4 is as a new version. So it's compiled right now. So what I can do is like I'll copy my this one face recognitions, right? Let's see. It's in a full flash, but I don't know why it's full flash is not enabled. Next time I can do that. Go to success. Cool. Let me open the okay. Actually outing like this one.
Yeah, I
Basic.
mean, there is an IP address available, right?
I don't know if it's actually just for Wi-Fi. I don't know if it's for the demo. I think we have another demo that we can try. This one. Okay.
Okay.
Let's try. It's our
Sorry,
IP. Sorry.
so this one is face recognition, right? Face recognition.
Sorry. By face recognitions, basically. So can if when I point in my house, it's too fast. I think I can read something.
Yeah, face detection of.
So the recognition, I think I need to add some ID before that. Then only it will work, right?
Yeah. That was I'm thinking. I mean, to recognize something, it has to compare with something, right?
Yeah. I think it's reading something like that. Believe from the doc it will might be mentioned. Yeah, you can see it's to register a face, we need to give something like this one. Some code that's already there. So currently I'm not doing that. I'm just need to just
And this code does not stream.
sorry.
This code does not stream the video, right?
No, does not stream the video, just for the only the output only.
Yeah, nice.
But it's very easy, right? Like very easy to get
Yeah.
started. Okay, this is the issue because I need to enter into boot menu. Okay. Yes, let's flash it. So currently we are right now using I don't know which model we are using. Default YOLO, which one? Not mentioned here. Mention somewhere. This is the example I used in the past. It's using the YOLO one. Yep, it's give
Yeah, there is a model select function.
the RTSP actually will give like let me open the URL. Nine to 168.0.2. 133 port 554. RTSP. What happened? I was not able to click it. I have some issues with my computer. Let me close it right now. Let's see. It's actually working fine right now. Let me by point something like that. Let's see if it can detect whole image. Yeah. Face conference 74, 76, 77. That's nice. I don't know why. Yep. Yeah. It's nice, right?
Yeah, nice.
And I have full clarity and it works very fine.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Can see the key points it actually have.
Yeah. That's what I was actually here. Yeah, nice.
Super. So let's see if we can put some images in my this phone computer and see. This is it makes some complicated thing. Oh, you see this?
Yeah. Multiple page. Yeah.
Yeah, it's and you see like it detects so many of them
Yeah.
and with like more than 50% confidence.
Yes. Nice. Yeah. That was nice.
Uh,
Yeah. Okay.
so it's and some of them actually due to I think due to the light.
Yeah. I think
Light.
I can also not see that faces clearly. That's because of the light.
Yeah, let me increase the light and see. Maybe it will work.
Yeah, I never really tried face detection with this much faces. I mean, actually, you should does this.
Sorry.
No, I never tried the multiple faces with the ESP32. No.
Yeah, and it's not that much hot also. When I
Yeah.
try with the ESP30, it is too hot, and
Oh,
it
okay.
doesn't.
So this one is okay.
Can see the confidence level. Those who are in the bottom also, it's confident about 50%.
Nice.
Oh, amazing.
And you're saying device is not heating up or anything like that. No.
Yeah, it's not that much heat. So we touch with here, right? To not that much heat actually when compared to ESP32. I don't see that much heat.
Yeah.
It's very nice. So if you want to do some demo, I can give you like if you want to do some experiment, I can give you one for, or you can order from the robo also.
Yeah.
Nice.
And right.
Sorry.
2,500 to the board. Right?
Yeah. If you feel like if it's too much expensive, let me know. I can try this one for experiment.
Yeah, sure.
Oh.
Yeah. First, let me cover the TinyML particular in a deep way.
Yeah, sure. Oh, this is amazing.
Yeah, nice.
So yeah, we are near to 850 right now.
Yeah, that was nice.
So that's about today. So we discussed about Ameba. I got you an idea about Ameba, right? Like this specific board, how powerful it is.
Yeah. So I don't know the sticker part. Yeah. I mean, I think the GitHub has the
So
demo.
one more thing I would like to show, like you need to see the SDK, right?
Yeah. No.
So let me open that. I have SDK actually. Yeah, for the demo actually, are you able to see my screen?
Yes. Yeah.
Let me open it. So yeah, they provide all the SDK and everything. And they have some example project actually listed here. So currently I am trying to do some projects with this one. but unfortunately I tried to run, but in the build using the make command make, but unfortunately there are some issues while building for the GB to JF4. Do you recognize this error?
Which one?
Can you see it? My VS Code.
Yeah, I can see.
Let me clear it. Sorry. Yeah, this one. So you can see after 2% is getting an error. Cannot execute a binary file. Actually, this one. I don't know why it doesn't give any error. I'm also don't know because like I'm actually trying to like I'm actually trying to do with this one on the it's actually meant for the
It's actually showing the permission denied, right?
is it a permission denied?
Yeah, there is actually a error above. Can you try with
We'll use
yeah,
sudo
yeah.
and see.
Yeah.
Okay, now. Don't. So we tried the sudo, but where did you see permission here?
Yeah, that's that one.
Okay, here, right?
Yeah. So either we can give the CHM. This is the Mac, right? So I don't know whether.
Yeah. Why I don't know why does it is run as an executable file.
Yeah, I don't know. So if it's in Linux, we can give the change mode to every user. But I don't know Mac. I don't know how to give the permission.exe file in the C.
Okay.
Maybe that.
Yeah, sorry.
Maybe that was the issue. Maybe I'm not sure.
Yeah. Anyway, I'll work on this and see. I'll share my updates on there. Okay.
Yeah.
And it's also pretty quick and pretty easy. Like I just try to do in a few hours before, and it have all that. Like it's very pretty clean and very nice SDK. Very easy to use. They have most of all the stuffs for JSON and everything. Very easy to use. Okay.
Okay.
So that's about today's session. And thanks for joining, Tariq. Please share your feedback on the group. So we'll see you next session. Hopefully you can take the next session on Amazon Sidewalk. So
Yeah, hopefully.
bye bye. Have a nice day. See you.
Yeah. Nice session. Thank you.